Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 2555. Begin by locating your passport, tax ID, foreign residency proof, and foreign pay stubs so you can enter accurate dates and amounts immediately. Work through the personal information section first, then complete the residency test lines carefully. Use consistent currency conversions and note any housing amounts separately. Double-check dates and signature fields before filing to avoid common mistakes. Focus on the structure of Form 2555 so you can move confidently from one section to the next. Fill Part I with accurate identifying and tax home details, then decide if you qualify under bona fide residence or the physical presence test and complete the matching part. Enter earned income amounts carefully in Part V and calculate the exclusion in Part VI. Keep supporting documents handy in case of IRS questions or audits. Common mistakes often cost time and trigger inquiries, so pay attention to detail as you complete Form 2555. Use a reliable exchange rate method and keep original pay records to avoid rounding disputes. Confirm your tax home and residency status before claiming exclusions, and calculate housing amounts precisely according to form instructions. Save copies of everything, and consider consulting a tax professional if your situation has unusual income.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.